Welcome to Go Jesse Go. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego fidget toy that works really well. So first you're going to we're going to make the parts. So first we're going to do a 2x6 plate, a 2x2 tile, 2x2 plate, another 2x2 plate. Make sure you have two of those. See? Two of those. Now for this piece, you're going to need 1x6, 2x2 plate, 2x2 tile, like that. And for that piece, we're also going to need a 2x4 plate and a 2x2 plate. Attach them together like this. Make two of them. Then make a 2x2 plate and a 2x2 plate. Attach them together. This. Make sure you have two of them. Now make sure you have a 2x4 plate and a 2x4 tile attached together like that. For those. So now it's time for the build. So we'll need to do this. We'll do okay. Sorry guys, this is taking a while. This, okay, so it's like that. Add this. Now this. Now this. And now this. Now that. Now that. And then you're finished. So now, how you do that? Now, how this fidget toy works. So, if you can see, you can pull this apart into two pieces. And now, those two pieces, you can make weird things like C, and O, and like W, and all sorts of weird. Now, like a bridge, or maybe can't think of anything else, but the rest is up to you. So, bye.